Hey everyone, Ben your agent with a weekly report in Orange County. Here we go, the top 3 things, starting with new listings. As we can see, I always like to start in the beginning of the year. We have in January 1,063. Now we are all the way up to 2,341. Yes, it says negative 6.6% in June, but that's because last month was that in May was 2,449. But overall this year, we are at a high right here, as you can see the graph right here. And the second thing is average sales price in Orange County, right, guys? So the average sales price in Orange County is 1,118,966. That is a 0.1 increase from last month. And as we can see, starting this year, it was 1,140,931, and it is now 1,118,966. So quite a bit of increase, even though there was a slight little decrease here. And the last thing I'll share with you guys is the days on market, meaning how many days are homes staying on the market now for sale. Yes, we see this little tick increase for sure from May to June, a 28.6 increase of 9 days now, an average of 9 days. If we look back in January, it was an average of 8, and now it's 9. So, you know, it went up. It averaged from February 7 to May 7, and now it went up to 9. Hope that was informative for you. Hope you love this email. If you are watching this, also click on my YouTube videos and my other links as well in this email. If it was informative to you, please go ahead and reply back to this email and let me know. Thank you and have a great day.